Hey Stu, it's Allison Carver here, owner of Cook In Tonight, and I just want to tell you a little bit about my membership. So since taking Tribe, I have been given back the gift of time because I have taken my membership 100% online. I never thought I'd be able to do it, and I did it. In 2019, I closed my one-on-one practice, and I only work online, and it is amazing. I get to spend more time with my young kids who are 6 and 3. I get to spend more time with my husband. We get to travel, and I get to still help and make an impact in couples' lives because of my membership. It's amazing. I don't know why I waited so long to do it. I would also say because of Tribe, my business has just grown because I've been able to nail down my message. I feel like learning through Tribe and learning everything I did, I'm now able to explain my business better. People understand what I'm doing better, and they see the value in it, which they never did before. Because let's be honest, cooking therapy, not exactly mainstream. Not yet, anyway. So I'm so grateful for Tribe and for all that I learned because I'm able to help reach more couples, help them reconnect on a much bigger scale because I'm online and because my message is more clear. It's amazing. I have more financial freedom. I'm making more money in my business than I ever have before, and I have more time at home. It's just insane. I'm so grateful and so happy that I took Tribe and everything that I learned. So thank you so much for helping my business grow, and I cannot wait to see where it goes in the future. Thank you so much.